Are you currently happy with the way things are? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. So the question is, are you happy with the way things are? If the answer is no, then it's time to make a change. Do you currently have the life that you've always dreamed of? Are you financially stable? Are you at your most perfect mental state? Do you have the right mindset, or are you in the best shape possible? Part of becoming the best version of yourself is being in control of every single aspect of your life, being happy with all aspects of your life. If there's an aspect that you're not happy with, you can always change it. You have to remember that life is not stagnant. You have to keep going. Some people hang on to current situations because it's what they know. They've had this partner for years, they've been at this job for 20 years, they know how everything works, they know their colleagues, they know how everything works. If you're not happy with the job, you can't just stay where you are because it's what you know, because you've been there for 20 years. You don't want to be the person that's always leaving. We've all been in situations where, let's say you start a new job and there's a colleague there that says, I'm leaving, but you find that they've been saying this for the last 10 years. You may come and go, someone else comes and goes, and that colleague is still in the same place trying to leave. But the truth of the matter is, they want to, but they're just over comfortable with the current situation. They're comfortable with how things work. But where is the growth in that? Eventually you will get bored if you keep doing the same thing over and over again, because you know how. You're not improving your skills, you're not improving anything. So if you're not happy with the current situation, regardless of how long you've been there, or if you're not happy with your friendships, regardless of how long you've known that person, you will have to make a change. Time, it doesn't equal relationship. Time doesn't equal positivity or growth. You have to learn to move on from things that you're not currently happy with and change them. You're in control of your life, and I'm not saying it's going to be easy. Change is not always easy, but change is inevitable. So instead of letting life change things for you, why not take control and be the one that changes your life? Be the one that changes your situation. Change the things you can control, and don't stay in a place because you're over familiar with how everything works. If you're happy with the situation, if you're happy with your job, if you're happy with your surroundings, if you're happy with your home, then that's fine. But if you're not happy, the key is, if you're not happy with the way things are, change them. Don't just stay there because it's what you're used to. Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know the few changes that you've made in your life recently, and I'll see you in my next one.